My name is Jeanne Dudley, and I'm the Executive Director at CASA Paulding. A CASA is a court-appointed special advocate. That means they are a trained volunteer who speaks for the best interests of children involved in dependency cases in juvenile court. Many times children in the system have a large number of professionals on their team, professionals that carry large caseloads. A CASA volunteer typically only has 1 or 2 cases, which allows them to focus on each child individually. They are able to monitor their progress, meet with the children and form a relationship, learn about any special services the child may need, and better be able to report to the judge about the needs of the children during their time in foster care. Typically, a CASA is appointed by the judge when a child is removed from the home. CASA serve children in the foster care system from birth to 18 or as long as they have an open juvenile court dependency case. Honesty is crucial during the process. I mean, obviously important decisions are being made about the child's future, and these decisions are based on the information that CASAs gather, DFACS caseworkers gather, parents and foster parents all contribute information to try to reach the best decision for the placement of that child. The goal is usually to resolve a case within 18 months, but sometimes cases may last several years when there are multiple setbacks or there is a termination of parental rights. We collaborate with the Child Advocacy Center by having access to their forensic interviews. This helps us know the situation and the trauma that the child has experienced, again, so that we have all the information necessary to speak to that child's best interest. Check out our website, casapaulding.org. There's information there on trainings that are required for a CASA. And then once you've done that, if you have the opportunity, speak with an active CASA volunteer about their experience with our services. Once that seems like a good fit, it's time to reach out to an advocacy coordinator who will tell you more about the trainings required to become a CASA and the time commitment that you'll be making. Because a CASA volunteer is committing to a child for the life of their case. For children, I would say you are not alone. There is an adult who is looking out for you to make sure that you are safe and you are heard. For families, I would say this process may be long and at times feel invasive, but the ultimate goal of the court is reunification whenever that is possible. So honesty and working toward progress is much better than perfection.